Hello everybody and welcome to Milestone Study. My name is Anusha and in this video we are going to talk about describe image. Describe image is one of the question types in the PDE test. If you don't know the exact format of the test, please first go and watch this video out and then you will know what we are doing in this video. Now this video is for those people who are struggling in describe image, who are very new to this test and they want to get a version, a structure. So let's begin with the first question. Now as we are given this 25 seconds of the practice time, we are going to do a little bit of practice. I'll show you how I practice in the exam, okay? Monthly sales. January, February, March, April, 0, 500, 1000, 1500. Okay, so that's all I can see. I'm going to use this template or a special template and you can also copy the exact thing. The picture is mainly about monthly sales and also about January, February and March and also about April, May and June and also about January and February and also about 0, 500, 1000 and 1500. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Okay, so now that you have already watched how I performed, this is the exact format you can also use in the test in order to get 90 by 90 in this question type. With the same flow, the same pace, I didn't say anything extra, like I didn't say it's going upward, downward and whatever. And I didn't say it's a line chart. I know it's a line chart, but I don't have to say it's a line chart, okay? So likewise, I'm going to perform another one. Okay, so again, practice time. The heading is table of baby sleep hours. Some words are there: age, nighttime sleep, daytime sleep, and total sleep. Numbers also 8.5, 10, and 11.25. 1 month, 6 months, and 18 months. Okay, so I'm done. I can pronounce all the words. The picture is mainly about table of baby sleep hours and also about age and 1 month and also about 6 months and 18 months and also about nighttime sleep, daytime sleep and total sleep and also about 8.5 and 7. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Okay. All right, so you see, this was the second question. I used the heading because this time there was a heading. Use the words, numbers. There's no structured format, as in I have to say this word first. If I say that word first, then there'll be a mess. The computer does not see any organization. It just sees that you are in flow, you're not stopping, you're not hesitating, and your pronunciation is also recognizable. You don't have to have a native-like accent. So let's move on to the third one. So there's a lot of things, but there's no heading. So I can make a heading. I'll say playing fields with trees. The picture is mainly about playing fields with trees. And then some words: school, bank, hospital, library, trees and theater, shops, houses and cafe and park. The picture is mainly about playing fields with trees and also about school, bank and library and also about hospital, trees and theater and also about shops, houses and cafe and park. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Okay, so the last part, I think that's enough. Thank you so much, is within the structure. I think this is the easiest one. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. And also about, this is also in the structure. I highly recommend saying this because and is also a very simple word. Also about. See, all three words are very simple. There's no high vocabulary. Most of us are familiar with this phrase. Let's go to the next one. Heavy image with a lot of data. Gotta select some because I don't have to speak everything, and you can also notice that I'm not using the entire bar to speak. Average household expenditure by major category: 1950 and 2010, housing, food, healthcare, education. The picture is mainly about average household expenditure by major category and also about 1950 and 2010 and also about housing, food and healthcare and also about education, transportation and other. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. So with this kind of image, I did not say any number. I could, but it was already over. The content was there, the words were fine, and didn't have to say a lot. So 10 seconds, and it's not that you have to cover all the content within those 10 seconds. Okay, so we have another image now. During the practice time, I'm going to actually pronounce it properly. Do not mumble, do not just speak it in your head. Okay, a lot of words, a frame, and there's a topic, but it's towards the left corner, how a bike works. And then frame device, rider's weight between front and back wheels. The picture is mainly about how a bike works, and also about spokes share and riders weight evenly, and also about pedal cranks and increase, and also about frame device, riders weight, and also about between front and back wheels. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. So in this case, my initial plan was to go from the top, but then something happened. I went from the bottom because I saw the topic on the left side, so it was easier for me to navigate towards the right side, bottom side. And remember, there's a very big disclaimer here that if you are going to use this structure the way I did with the timer I said, do not expect any websites whatsoever on the internet. Like, there are so many websites that give you these practice sets. Do not expect you getting higher marks using this structure. I'm not teaching this because the websites give you highest marks. I'm teaching you this structure with the timer, because in the exam you get the highest score. Okay, so remember, I do not endorse any website, so do not ask me which website is best, which website is not. Maybe one day I will try to build a website of my own, an app of my own, and then we can say, okay, Milestone is the best. But for now, do not. I'm not saying, I can't say do not because there's nothing 100%. I suggest not relying on the marks of these websites, okay? Because what I've done is the real exam, not the mock test. I haven't tried it in any of the websites. I've tried it in the real exam itself. So all the things that I teach here on this YouTube channel is for the test, not for the websites. So with all that, these were the questions, 5 questions. In exam, you get only 3 to 4. I try to demonstrate 5. So if you have any other questions, apart from which is the best website, please go ahead and comment down below. If you have any other queries related to classes, courses, you can also message us all the contact details are in the description below. Go watch our format video as well if you haven't already, and the read aloud and repeat sentences also. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified of our new videos every week. We are trying to post as much content as possible so that you gain the most benefit out of this. If you need more practice with these structures, if you need some guidance, don't hesitate to contact us and get access to our lab practices, to our classes. We also have a PT toolkit. You can get it from our Facebook or Instagram. Just text us that you want to buy the toolkit, and then we will give you the access. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Take care till then.